Yes, so now welcome back. Now see BOBO'S YARN with Day. And matter what they talk about today, they very fake. And I deal with my criminals them. Simple matter, friends with benefits, friends without benefits. Which one good pass to do, you know, when to date? No.
And no talk say
date?
No talk say that's simple matter. Wait, simple.
No, because you don't understand them well.
Yeah, make it teach me nonsense.
Now I can't try to break them down well. If you don't necessarily be say for one relationship, the benefit na both sex and money. For one relationship, if you be say the benefit there na only sex, which I agree with you, one kind for the part we be say some girls they will be say then they date the guy because sex now they want.
They don't want anything.
They don't want anything. Then in another context, it gets girl where they date guy, we be say nah what she just wants. The guy they give her money. The guy know say he get another girlfriend, he real girlfriend, and she know the guy real girlfriend. But this one they give her money. That is friends with benefit. Then in another context, guy they date another girl and he gets girlfriend. No, but this one he just the service.
Another category now you dey.
Crank am, you understand? No. I don't have. Which, see,
why you dey
see like person wey no understand something. I take my time. I take my time break am for you now.
I appreciate it.
You can't dey cost me on top.
As you know the cost now.
You see, to help Nigerians, very.
But you know say, but you said you know say the truth na say person like showman and like friends with benefits we get only cranking.
And this one,
we know the money.
Showman never mind in real girlfriend, maybe benefit.
Funny enough, as they talk all these things, I be feel say when you want to ask the question, say which one I go choose, I go like to date. I will tell you clearly, it's not friends without benefits.
Explain yourself, Abeg.
Reason being be this: if for dating, any girl where you want date, where you go start with friends with benefits, you don't kill that friendship. But when you follow girl, when they love you, when like you as a friend.
No, you can't even date a girl.
You can't even date someone with no friends with benefits now.
Eh?
You don't fit date them. Why you go date friends?
Now, what is our question be that for today? That friends with benefit or friends without benefit? Which one they good to date? And there are people where we say, my brother, love don't grow from friends with benefits. You get how you go to crank a shower. You think I love that shower girl. Now, so that's friends with benefits. I'm saying that naturally, if you follow girl, we no want anything from you. The friendship just there. I get one girl right now with them call her, she go laugh, nothing. Those kind of people now you go even prefer to even date one day because she can't get to know you more. All these girls what they follow now, friends with benefit. She come house.
Which one be all these girls?
Wait, now I finish. The girl come. You don't even ask girl. You don't chop. How your father? How your this? Because all your mind there now, the mission. What she's coming for. You muke, she go.
But na simple understanding now. Wait. 12 na adults. Na simple understanding.
But you don't know.
Hey, let me talk. I allowed you to talk. Allow me talk.
No verse. I don't want to spoil your market. Talk.
It's very simple. Abi Shakara, una get mutual understanding. Say yes, so as me and you they do this thing, oh, now only this thing join us together. Nothing else.
But that one,
whether even possible make person get relationship, they can't get friend without benefit.
Yes.
You understand where I can't go?
You dey in a relationship.
Yes.
You can't get
friend. We be saying, you know they gain anything from this person.
No say gain anything.
Not be
the without benefit. I say that I told you. Maybe there's no sex or money. Based on what you said, there's no sex. She's your good. I have a very good friend. I call her lovely. She's a lovely girl. Very nice, beautiful, but funny enough, that kind of way be say even you said when you see him to even think of say you want crank, it had you. And if I deal with this girl, anything where I talk, the girl would just laugh. You understand? So would they talk if she get issues?
But I believe basically say it depends on. I will put them this way again. Say it depends on everybody perspective about them. If now all your decision about them, if now you get friends with benefits now, we will say you start to like them and you want date them. Now your choice. And if you get one, we no deal without benefits and you
obviously love they grow. You get in the strangest places.
At the same time, both of them get advantage and disadvantage.
None of them, my friends without benefit, no get anything like disadvantage.
No, it get to.
Friends without benefits.
We be friends like that.
Just like that. that.
You are
You are friends. You are friends. Two of them, you are friends.
You know, say your relationship, your main relationship, go get to know, say you be friend with that girl, and she no go understand another. But
it's not advisable. It's not advisable. It's not advisable to have.
If you code any friendship where you code from your real relationship, there's something
don't code
wrong.
But it's not advisable for you to have a girlfriend, your babe. Then you can't get another female friend as your friend. The way you tell things, you know they're advisable. But what I'm saying is that anytime when you date, when you get any friend, where we say, una dey crank. One day when something happen, when una quarrel, it don't go be that. But this one where we say nothing did. I mean, check these two people. Which one way if you say go first get issues pass? Now the one way sex dey involved.
More we enter here within our babes and gas talk on top of this matter. When we come back, we still continue. Now still BOBO'S YARN, not go anywhere when they come back.
It's good for me if I go get friend with benefits. You understand? I go like and pass. Now make I say if you understand them, you know say that relationship will lead you to something. You feel continue the relationship.
No, you kokoro they look for friends with benefit now.
Benefit is okay because like people where we say they school, maybe they won't get something from somebody, maybe a guy maybe the person gets something upstairs, it's a big book. So the lady feel just stay close with that person because of that thing when they get from that person, like kind of to teach her or something. But if the guy too feel say, they get time, like most men, they know they get time, they always they travel. So they go get one lady where they say, but they help them to do their runs for school, to write maybe exam tests, tests and all other things to do in school. Benefit, they okay.
When I done the date, for how long, you know how serious the person is. Do you understand? If you choose to follow the person, you still follow the person. But for me, I no want make relationship where be saying, I know if he say, he never get plan. You understand? I know if it's just they follow him. He get something I go they ask him. If I say he never get plan, I go fashion.
Nah, you kokoro I want big. But if you know what thing you want, now to follow your heart to my sister, now the truth be that. No say my own feel be different from your own. So now say be everybody you know go must the same.
Yes, welcome back. You see, sir, I just ran for here because I just did listen to it and they talk on top of the matter. But for me, basically, I look and say, I go still prefer friends with benefits. Why me I talk, so I go prefer friends with benefits? I go prefer friends with benefits because I know, say, as I do them, at the long run, it gets some things where I go see get alongside. You know, say friends with benefits again. Aside from the fact that you're getting cranking and you're getting money, there are some things you can learn. There are some things you can get. Some babes they wait. Some babes they will say yes. Some babes they wait. Some babes they will say as then they so calm down, my friend.
But I told you what did they talk?
What do you mean? It's the truth.
What do you want to learn? Now only without getting now you want to learn.
You don't learn for your relationship.
You don't learn for this bar where they teach you everything here.
Wait till you get to teach me for this bar.
My brother, now only cranking 99 go in your mind. Leave that thing.
To me, cranking self. No be even one. If I get friend with benefit, we be say I want benefit. You know, go be cranking.
Not be cranking alone. Then you home
because to me, I don't know if to any other guy, cranking is not beneficial to me at all.
So,
scientists, you
know say I felt like
you know how much blood, you know how much blood
they come out when they crank.
For one
discharge,
one quantity of
discharge
of sperm.
You know, even the energy self where they come out. If no discharge now.
And scientists don't talk and say women they enjoy 70% of sex, while men enjoy 30%.
That's why I said now women supposed to pay men. I don't tell you that thing because of the work. But someone like you now.
You don't see why they look you for complete that thing where you want to.
Shakara, you won't tell me now. Like me now. I know I have many friends without benefit. I feel so for bad like this now. I need most people for companionship.
No, you know your condition.
Waiting.
Now limitations sometimes
Leave
of getting into them or getting into their pants.
You know,
then they come to friends without benefit.
Because let me tell you why I said.
But your intention, your beginning,
your first intention, that we know, your first intention was to fire down.
Since you reach the panties,
you change up.
You can't change up.
Your first intention, that we know.
You must start every relationship or friendship without benefits. From there, you grow to have benefits. Don't just start. That is why you always think my own be like that. I always start.
What spoil?
Look
before
at
this boy get
you don't. If you go with the intention, say you want cranky, you dey spoil am.
What don't spoil? Yes, now the word don't spoil. We carry something so. Abeg, I dey look down because this matter.
But I know like we like
am. No,
we like them.
Some men like them, but truly, before this kind of thing no dey rampant. But the rate where we say girls expose body these days now another thing entirely. And I see so many things for social media, even for Nigeria here. I've been going on events one particular time for red carpet. I see one babe cloth which she wear sincerely before God and man. Her toy, na so it dey.
You know say.
Na so the tweety dey front like this. When say I know the hey, Jehovah.
You know where I won't shock. One event we go, they say the ladies. Because I did for the planning committee, they say the ladies, they say na rapa and buba. So my mind already take and say, na decent dressing, we go see today for this event. Since rap here, rapa and buba. When we reach there, if you see buba, we say they use net, you go to see the bra through the buba. Then the one come pay me. You know rapa they call oleku. If they tie up, now the name be that. Only they call short he be like mini skirt.
Oh, okay. He dey fine, no.
He dey fine. So when they call it, I come say rapper because all the girls come hot, see laps.
So for your mind now, this is you go to see long rapper.
As I just say dress code for women.
But you why you like give yourself? No, you for like the planning committee.
I come wait.
You for like go planning committee.
If you hear that thing, say they say guys dress corporate. Then ladies, buba rapper.
What you go happen?
Sexy go call your mind. No, wait. Sexy go call your mind. Sexy.
A guy like me, when like friends without benefits, I would like.
Shakara, give me your last word.
I know if you
I don't get time.
And they say if the way girls they expose their body these days, when we go so vex, you just imagine say we just vex now. Say our jeans where we they wear, because we just open this side small.
No, girls never open them.
Why
you want me to go?
Why? What do you open to talk girl on?
Last word, Jare Shakara.
What do you open to talk girl on?
Open your chest.
Shakara, I get friends with benefits without.
Okay, I think I don't know anyone can go for me for this one.
For dating, for me, friends without benefits. I start from there first.
Me, I dey in between.
Yes, in between the middle of the center.
I dey in between.
Is that where you are?
Without benefit.
No, that is where he is.
I dey in between because now my choice and our choice. Abeg, until another day.